exactly 12 noon. The sun was directly overhead and the heat of the day could be felt strongly. Motor vehicles were passing by as people went out for lunch or continued their daily errands.
So many motor vehicles are distant. I should remain distant and stay alert.
It's already 12 noon. The road is getting busy. I need to stay focused when driving my motor vehicle.
Everything seems normal at exactly noon until one sudden moment changed everything.
What's the motor vehicle stopping?
Hey, your motorcycle hit mine. You stopped so suddenly. You should have maintained distance. And you should have more careful. Please come down. Let's call the authorities to settle this properly. Hello? There's a motor vehicle collision. No injuries but two drivers are involved. Copy that. Stay at the scene. Officers are on the way. Good day. I am Officer Piedad and this is Officer Botante. We will handle this motor bicycle incident. We will document everything for the official incident report. Is anyone injured?
No, sir.
Good. Let's proceed. Motor vehicle A, explain what happened.
I stopped my motor vehicle because I saw something on the road. Then I was hit from behind.
Driver vehicle B, explain what happened.
He stopped suddenly. I don't enough time to brake my motor vehicle.
Sudden stop and insufficient braking distance. We will now collect your motor vehicle particulars. Please provide accurate information. Motor vehicle A, state your details.
My name is Jimar Ingelia with plate number ABC 123 and then the license number D1234567890. Insurance company Safe Drive Insurance. Policy number 001122.
Motor vehicle A, plate number ABC 1234, license number D1234567890. Insured under Safe Drive Insurance. Policy number 001122. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Motor vehicle B. Now your details.
I am Rudy Lau. My plate number is XYZ5678. My license number is A987654310. Insurance company Secure Life Insurance. Policy number 9988877.
Confirm. Motor vehicle B. Plate number XYZ 5678. License number A98765310. Insured under Secure Life Insurance. Policy number 998877. Confirm.
Yes, sir. Yes, officer.
Witness, please describe what you saw.
Motor vehicle A stopped suddenly. Motor vehicle B followed closely and could not stop in time, causing the collision.
Statement recorded. Both drivers must observe proper road safety, avoid sudden stops, and always maintain a safe distance between motor vehicles.
Understood. Yes, officer.
Incident report, date March 3, 2026. Time 12 p.m. Location Tawala, Panglao, Bohol. Motor vehicle involved, motor vehicle A, plate number ABC 1234. License number D1 2 34 56 78 90. Insurance, Safe Drive Insurance Policy number 001122. Motor vehicle B, plate number XYZ 5678. License number A98 76 543210. Insurance Secure Life Insurance. Policy number 998877. Summary: a minor motor vehicle collision occurred due to sudden stopping and insufficient following distance. No injuries were reported. You may now coordinate with your insurance providers regarding damages. This report will be submitted officially.
Thank you, sir. We appreciate your assistance, sir. Good thing everyone is safe.
Through proper reporting and cooperation, the situation was resolved peacefully. Always remember, responsible driving and complete motor vehicle information are essential.